Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today I want to ask you a question. My question is it unethical or immoral for a criminal defense attorney to send their own client to jail in order to save them from being deported? The reason I ask this question is because I read this article. This is the article. It's in the New York Post. It's called "Why Illegal Immigrant Criminals Are Begging to Go to Rikers Island." And basically what this article says is that there are people who are here, they're not here legally, they get picked up on a new criminal charge in New York. And what their public defenders are doing is they're trying to get them into a prison sentence, a jail sentence, in that new criminal case, because if they can get them off to jail in the new criminal case, it prevents them from going into state custody. If it's a jail sentence of less than a year, they stay in City of New York custody. It prevents them from going into State of New York custody, and that makes all the difference in the world because the state would then turn them over to ICE to be deported. And so what these criminal defendants are doing and what their criminal defense attorneys are doing is they're angling to try and get into prison, believe it or not, rather than getting released, because it will keep them in the country longer, and they figure that if they can ride things out, maybe they will be able to stay. So my question for you is it unethical or is it immoral? If you're a criminal defense attorney, you have a duty in the case where you have been appointed. You have a duty to do the best thing for your client in that case. What happens when the best thing for your client more globally is to lose the case and end up going to jail when it's a case where normally they wouldn't have gone to jail? Is it immoral or is it unethical to send your own client to jail when you should be winning that case or when you should be getting a probation sentence in that case? I'm interested to know what you think. If you're an attorney or if you're a member of the general public at large, feel free to comment on this video. Feel free to send me an email, ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com.